Folks, welcome back to the channel. Doug with Stacking Investments here. Welcome to my world. Had to pull another bathtub. These units are nasty, and I had to replace that fitting right there, and then this white pipe was cast. I always go back in with PVC. Had to split it right there because I had to go slide pipe under towards the kitchen sink drop. It's bad enough in this bathroom. I'm not going to show you the kitchen part because it's absolutely disgusting. It's one of the worst, and I'm not going to show that on camera. But for you young people out there, you're looking for a career, let me tell you what, you should get into plumbing. This job right here, I'm going to have about 11 hours in it, and it's going to pay me about $360 an hour. That's including drive time from my house to here to the part stores, all that, getting parts and swapping this out. Yes, it is. You get dirty, but let me tell you what, I'll take this working for myself, doing something like this over sitting in the air-conditioned office any day. The money is good. Let me get out of here. I'll take you outside. There's the tub. There's the 4 pieces surrounded. I got it all back together. I'm going to let it sit overnight to test, make sure nothing else is leaking, make sure all my connections are good. Somebody upstairs likes to run their kitchen sink a lot, so I'll know in the morning. Take me about an hour to fill it in, mix up some concrete, fill in the hole there early in the morning, and then I'll come back in the afternoon. Even though the concrete's won't be 100% dry, I can actually go ahead and set the tub put the tub back in place, because the way the tub sits, it won't touch the fresh concrete. I'm sorry, somebody left a dog in their car and it's yapping, but let me show you what was going on. This is the sink drop. The sweep, it's a 9-inch sweep, cast iron. This picks up downstairs, back-to-back sinks tie in to this. They're back-to-back, so they share the drain line, but also the 2 units upstairs that have back-to-back sinks. This line also picks up those, so there's 4 kitchen sinks running down this. The reason I had to replace this is because right at the end at a fitting, I could have saved that, but I'm not that kind of person. I know people that would just put the fitting over there and let it go. I'm not that kind of person, because that was actually fitting right there. That's the continuous hole. This 2-inch pipe. You can see the holes in it running. This is actually the bottom. I've got it upside down, but this is the bottom, and all that in there, that red stuff, that's grease. That's grease and food. It's just absolute nasty. This end right here, I had to slide it out, I had to break this piece off in order to slide this out. And that's why you saw that black connector in there, because I had to cut a piece a little over 4 feet, shove it in, connect it up to a new one of these, transition to PVC, come out. When I got to the end of the PVC, I put a black fitting, and then I put a shorter piece of PVC to make up this here. But you can see this pipe has seen better days. It's all rotted out right there, and it's full. I don't know if you can see in there, all that's grease and food. That's what happens when you don't care about where you live. You put all that stuff down. Now this fitting here, this is where the sink ties in. And I thought when I was feeling around, because of this dirt glob, this glob right here, I thought this piece was bad. This is actually good. But every one I've done of these, I had the same kind of mark. Like you see on this, like you see on that, I usually have that same kind of mark right there. So this is the most expensive part. I put that in, and I figure if I'm doing the sink, I don't want to come back on this. I put this in 2 generations from now, 50 years from now, somebody may have to go back and fix this. But anyway, that's what I'm doing. I'll see y'all in another video.